and I'm gonna do a little simple makeup. So I'm gonna use most of the products there are from my company, GG Naturals. So after that sunscreen, I'm gonna do spray a layer of the rose toner because it smells good. Ooh. Okay. So then I'm gonna put this it's by It Cosmetics, the foundation. I use this as a concealer too. It's really good. I think the ingredients, they're pretty natural too. Beauty blender, so I'm gonna use that to blend onto my skin. So I'm gonna focus on the eye area first because I have some dark circle, some freckles, and I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I have this brand. It's pretty old. It's a natural brand. It's called Pixi Beauty. As I believe, I think you can find it on at Target. So this is like all earth tone, neutral. So I'm gonna put a layer of the like a beige onto my lid. I'm gonna use fingers, okay? Because I like to use fingers. I see a lot of Asian makeup artists and Korean makeup artists that like to use fingers, Japanese makeup artists. So, you know, I'm not looking for perfection, so I'm gonna use my fingers instead of brush. Okay, so I have that color on. It's pretty natural, so you don't really see it. And then I'm gonna move on to little, what do you think? Shimmery one? Maybe shimmery one. The brown one, so just tap slightly onto the lid. So a little bit more, make it even. You know, I'm gonna use, you know, only my ring fingers to blend everything out. Okay, looks good. And then around the corner, I'm gonna use the darker brown right here, just a little bit. Looks good. The other side. Okay, and then I'm gonna use, it's kind of dirty, so I'm gonna use some tissue to wipe it off. It's clean, and then I'm gonna blend it just evenly. Okay, that eyeliner, and you can use any brand. This one is the felt tip by Physicians Formula. It's one of the brands I really like. It's more natural kind, you know. So when I do the eyeliner, I would say it's the most difficult thing to do. You know, you want to make it even, right? You don't want to make it like one size higher than the other side. So what I do is I do it at the corner first. So I'm gonna line my eye this way and that first, okay? And then once I have this side, I'm gonna follow that on the other side. Just like an angle up. I'm not gonna do any cat eye or anything, it's just really natural. So I messed this up too, so it's not easy. It's all about practice. Yeah, I think this side's a little bit higher. Okay. Okay, I'm not looking for perfection, so we're in quarantine, so no perfections looking here, okay? So I'm gonna keep going. When you make a mistake, so you can wipe it off with a Q-tip or just don't care. So I line really close to my eyeliner, the eyelash line. So just a little bit by little by little, okay? And then you want to hold your skin tight so you can see better. Pretty nice. Okay, and that side, okay? This side is a little bit, so I would say that way. That side is pretty high, higher than the other side, but I'm not gonna care. So, oh, this angle is hard to do. So I'm gonna twist my, how I do it. Okay. Just little by little. See, this side is higher than the other side. So see? Yeah, I think that side is a little bit higher. So when I fix it, what I'm gonna fix it is I'm gonna line another line, you know, right here to connect. It's not my day for eyeliner, I guess. Damn hard eyeliner. Why people have to do eyeliner? To make your eye bigger. Sometimes like, okay, one more time and I'm done with this. I messed this up. I'm gonna use a corner. So what you do when you don't have a Q-tip, you can use tissue. This is actually pretty easy to remove that. There you go. Okay. Alright. Alright, I'm done with this, okay? I'm not gonna mess it up. Alright, gonna use a eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. I know that some of you already have really curly, beautiful eyelashes, so you don't have to use this crap. Because with the eyelash curler, you have to be really careful that if you don't use it correctly, you're gonna damage your eyelashes. And you know how it goes. If your eyelash they fall off, it takes forever to go back. So just gentle when you use this one. I would suggest you to watch any some YouTube videos to learn how to use it first before you poke your eyes. Okay, so it's good. Hi, and then I'm gonna use a black mascara that's by Pixi Naturals. Okay, the black one, because I have really dark eyelashes, so the black one will be better for me. And I also make the brown one too. So this is the old one that I use. Okay, when you get it, it won't look like this. So I'm gonna have a mascara wand to do like that. This is actually a popular product. I've been selling a lot on Etsy and people love it. Right. And then so evenly with that, and then you're gonna apply your mascara from the roots to the tip of the top of your lashes. How you say that? You know, that. You can, so you can see one side, that side has mascara, the other side doesn't have. And I'm gonna put a second layer on it, and I'm gonna do it on my left side. So so one layer, and then I'm gonna do a layer of the powder. So when you get a mascara, I include a little bit of like sample of the, it's called setting powder. You can use it or you don't have to use it. So you dab your fingers on the setting powder. Just tap onto the lashes, because the setting powder will make the mascara lasts a little bit longer, in my opinion. Like some people, they don't use it, they just go for it. Some people just use 1 layer of mascara or 2 layers and they're good. If you don't want to buy this powder, you can also use any starch at your home, like arrowroot starch, cornstarch, things like that. Not baby powder though. Baby powder has fragrances in it. It's not good. Because with the eyes, eyes are pretty sensitive area, right? So you don't want to put any fragrances and chemicals on it. And then another layer of the mascara to cover all the powder. Oop. Oh, that looks good. Okay. And then you see that little clump here? I'm gonna use my finger, just remove that. Okay. Well, since I don't rub my eyes too much, so this mascara lasts on my eyes pretty well. Like, it will last for a whole day. Seriously. So I know that I'm gonna wear a mask when I go out, so I don't need to put on any blush, because once you have blush on, your blush is gonna stick on your mask. But I'm gonna do some blush today anyways, why not? Okay, so I'm gonna use the Chichi Naturals. The color is like this. I only have 1 color, but it's universal color that it will fit all skin tones. So I'm gonna dab it on my fingers just a little bit. A little goes a long way. Okay, dab 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 dab, and I'm gonna use my fingers again. So when you blend it, you want to use a clean finger to blend it all the way. Okay, so evenly. Wipe it off. So I'm gonna blend it again. So it gives you a little glow, little blushing glow. Okay, so you see it? Okay, and then what else? Okay, and then last, I'm gonna apply this it's new product and I haven't updated on my Etsy yet. It's called Glow Up Facial Serum. It has mica in it, it has color in it. So thank you for my friend Victorian that she gave this name. It's called Glow Up. Victoria is one of my best friends who lives in Ohio. I had to give her a shout out because she's so creative. She's a writer. So I always message her, hey, I have this new product, what should I name it? And she's always creative about all the names. So really happy that she named this. That's called Glow Up. Okay, so this is new, and then I have an old one. Shake it first. Shake it. And then I'm gonna do like couple drops, not too much. And this oil has SPF ingredients in it, so it will protect you from the sun a little bit. But I will not say that how much SPF that contain, you know, because I don't own a lab. I cannot do that. So I'm gonna apply it on my face, my forehead, little my cheeks, my nose bridge, a little bit here. So I would say this oil just add little glow on your face. The color is really light and subtle, and some people like to put it around your collarbones and your neck too. It's pretty for the summertime. Okay, can you see it? Maybe a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna do a tinted lip balm that is also very popular on Etsy. So it's tinted and it's all natural, so I I don't wipe it off before I eat. And it's also moisturizing. It's all natural with it's called acanite roots, mica, so you don't have to care if you eat it. So I'm gonna apply on my lips. Pretty. And actually this color, I'll show you. Oh, maybe here. See it? It's really pretty. So you can use it as a blush too. So multi-use. Alright, here you go. It's the little simple makeup that for quarantine, staying at home makeup.